Sneezing is one of the body's response to deal with irritation of the nose or throat. Sneezing can also be interpreted as a strong expulsion of bacteria into the air. Sneezing is often underestimated because it does not cause serious problems. However, if you sneeze frequently and even disturb your daily activities, you should immediately consult a doctor. The cause of sneezing is that when something irritates the nose, a message will be sent to the part of the brain where the sneezing center is located. Then the sneeze center sends message to certain muscles such as the back of the throat muscles. Muscles that control the vocal cords, eyelid muscles, stomach muscles, and chest muscles. These muscles work together to make a person sneeze. There are several causes of sneezing, namely allergies, irritant, infection, sport, medicines, sunlight. Sneezing classification based on the nature of the process. Sneezing is divided into two. Intermittent, sometimes, if symptoms last less than 4 days or weeks, or last more than 4 weeks. Persistent or persistent, if symptoms last more than 4 days or week, or last more than 4 weeks. Meanwhile, in terms of the severity of disease, allergic rhinitis is divided into two. Mild is there are no sleep disturbance to daily activities, relaxing, exercising, studying, working, or other disturbing things. Moderate or severe is there is one of or more of the disorders mentioned above. Sneezing prevention. Apart from using medication, you can also make some simple change at home to reduce it. Maintain air humidity. This can be done using a humidifier. This tool can be placed in main room or bedroom to maintain air quality while preventing allergies from getting worse. Maintain cleanliness. Apart from maintaining air humidity, another important thing that should not be missed is keeping the house clean. Clean your room regularly by changing the sheet, pillowcase, or blankets once a week. Avoid peeling dolls or items in the room. Thank you.